Let A and B be two unit vectors such that A dot B equal to 0 for some xy belongs to R. Let C equal to x A bar plus y B bar plus A cross B. If determinant of C, that means magnitude of C is 2, and the vector C is inclined at the same angle alpha to both A and B, then the value of 8 cos square alpha is what? Let's see how to solve this. What they said A and B are unit vectors. That means magnitude is going to be 1. So determinant of A is 1. Determinant of B also 1. And also it is a unit vector such that A bar dot B bar equal to 0. When the dot product is going to be 0, A and B are perpendicular. Then only the dot product is going to be 0. That means these are orthogonal. That means this angle is 90 degrees. So up to here we did. Now let's see what they given. Let C equal to x A bar plus y B bar plus A cross B. So they given C, and also they said if magnitude of C is 2, C they expressed as a x A bar plus y B bar plus A cross B. This they given. What we know, A dot B are orthogonal unit vectors. The vector A cross B is a unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. What is the formula for the A cross B? Determinant of A, determinant of B, sine. So here what is the angle? Here sine theta. So what is the angle? 90 degrees. So we can write this as a 90. Sine 90 the value is 1. Determinant of A cross B, we can write this as a determinant of A times determinant of B. Here A comma B and A cross B forms an orthogonal basis. So this what we know. But how can you find the 8 cos square alpha? That is the question. So for that you just take the given vector, which is the third vector, which is C. So let's take this and find out for the cos square alpha. Question, we have a 8 cos square alpha. That means there is a square. So that's why they given C. If we do square here, maybe we can get the answer or not. Let's see. If we do square here on both sides, C square equal to x power 2, determinant of A power 2, y power 2, determinant of B power 2, then determinant of A cross B whole power 2. Isn't it? And we know that A and B are unit vectors. So determinant of the value is going to be 1, and determinant of B, the value is going to be 1. So here x power 2 times 1, which gives only x power 2, and y power 2 times 1, which gives y power 2. And the left hand side, the C magnitude is 2. So if we do 2 power 2, which is 4. And the right hand side, what we have? We have determinant of A cross B whole power 2. Just now we found determinant of A cross B, the value is determinant of A times determinant of B. And sine theta, sine 90 is 1. So we are getting only this. And also we know these two are unit vectors. So here we have 1 and here we have 1. So 1 times 1, which gives only 1. X power 2 plus y power 2, that is equal to 3. Let's consider this as equation 1. And in the given question, what they said is the vector C is inclined at the same angle alpha to both A and B. Isn't it? So how can we write this? We can write this as C dot A and C dot B. Isn't it? Because the vector C is inclined alpha to both A and B. That's why I can write this as C dot A, C dot B. So what is the C dot A formula? C, det C and det A times cos alpha, that is C dot A. Here cos alpha, we can write this as C dot A over determinant of C, determinant of A. Similarly, in B also, we can write cos alpha, the angle is same, cos alpha equal to C dot B over determinant of C, determinant of B. And what is determinant of C? What is the magnitude of C, which is 2? What is determinant of A? That is 1. So 2 times 1, which gives only 2. And here also determinant of C, the value is 2. And determinant of B, the value is 1. So 2 times 1, which gives only 2. And what is C? The given x A bar plus y B bar plus A cross B dot A over 2. Here, if you multiply with A dot A, which gives 1, so that means you are going to get x here. B dot A, which gives 0, so this is going to be 0. And A cross B dot A, which gives 0, so this is also going to be 0. So we left only x. So cos alpha equal to x over 2. So this is here, if we do C dot A, we are going to get x by 2. This is cos alpha. From here we can say that x equal to 2 cos alpha. Same here also. If you simplify, we are going to get only y over 2. So from here y equal to we can write this as y equal to 2 cos alpha. So now substitute these x and y values in equation 1. What is x value? 2 cos alpha whole square plus what is y value? 2 cos alpha whole square, that is equal to 3. So 2 cos square alpha is nothing but 4 cos square alpha, and here 4 cos square alpha, which gives 8 cos square alpha. Did you see? This is our question. 8 cos square alpha. The value is 3. That's it. I hope you like this content. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.